we have an ongoing discussion, an ongoing debate. Me and Liza here, okay? Apparently, we've got a faulty bucket. Seems to be that that's my problem. I don't think it is. So we're going to have this discussion once again. So gentlemen, all you have to do is follow me.
Ladies, follow me.
And gentlemen, follow me.
Ladies, follow me.
All right, well, let's settle it right here. Guys, you ready? There's a hole in the bucket, dear Liza, dear Liza. There's a hole in the bucket, dear Liza, a hole.
Then fix it, dear Henry, dear Henry, dear Henry. Then fix it, dear Henry, dear Henry. Fix it.
With what shall I fix it, dear Liza, dear Liza? With what shall I fix it, dear Liza? With what?
With straw, dear Henry, dear Henry, dear Henry. With straw, dear Henry, dear Henry. With straw.
But the straw is too long, dear Liza, dear Liza. But the straw is too long, dear Liza, too long.
Then cut it, dear Henry, dear Henry, dear Henry. Then cut it, dear Henry, dear Henry. Cut it.
With what shall I cut it, dear Liza, dear Liza? With what shall I cut it, dear Liza? With what?
With an axe, dear Henry, dear Henry, dear Henry. With an axe, dear Henry, dear Henry. An axe.
The axe is too dull, dear Liza, dear Liza. But the axe is too dull, dear Liza, too dull.
Then sharpen it, dear Henry, dear Henry, dear Henry. Then sharpen it, dear Henry, dear Henry. Sharpen it.
With what shall I sharpen it, dear Liza, dear Liza? With what shall I sharpen it, dear Liza? With what?
With an axe. Stone, dear Henry, dear Henry, dear Henry. With a stone, dear Henry, dear Henry. A stone.
But the stone is too dry, dear Liza, dear Liza. But the stone is too dry.